they are ready already to operate. However, no, wala pa silang approved nga 3-year work program. Yung 3-year work program, andun pa sa Central, then after that, mag-comply pa sila ng mga local requirements. So actually, yung NPSE nila ready for mining operation. So as of today, they are still care and maintenance program. Okay.
Follow up to sir. Anong ginagawa doon sa site? Maintenance ito? Doon sa site, sa isang barangay?
Ano po?
Doon sa site, anong ginagawa doon? Kaya maintenance yon?
Care and maintenance program. Yung mga tao doon, limitado. So more on safety, monitoring ng mga facility nila. So no movement, no extraction, no mining operation. Care and maintenance program po.
Like ano sir, yung mini-maintain? Pwede pa-elaborate?
Care and maintenance program, meaning limited pa yung paggalaw nila, limited yung extract in actual no, yung mining operation. Limited, more on housekeeping, yung mga facility nila doon, i-maintain nila. Kinakailangan yun i-maintain kay otherwise kung hindi yan maintain, talagang unsafe yun. Okay?
Okay.
Aside